Alright, here we go. Hicksville train station.
Train station?
Hicksville train
The
station.
elevator.
A very lovely one at that. Let's see if we get stuck.
That's not for me.
I don't think we will, but like, older monitor. It's got a window in the door.
Okay, goes the train.
And there goes the train. No, we did not take the train, but here it is.
It's really cool that you can get on the Long Island Railroad platform.
Oh, wow, this is lovely. Oh, it's cold in here.
Ah. Smells like a bathroom.
Here we go. I'll get the indicator. Actually, I'll get everything. I'm in shock there's no camera in here.
Damn it.
Here we are. I know there's another elevator on the other side. We could ride that too if you want.
Yes, I do know. But we are on the other side.
Alright. Do you think we have a motor?
Got it.
Let's see. Very lovely. And here we are arriving. Bouncy. Oh, that works. Alright, you can press the button if you want to.
I don't want to. Let's press this.
Yeah, cab view, that was a pretty bad cab view, yeah. This is a very lovely elevator we have here. There's the numbers. Hold on, I'll let you get this. Oh, here comes the train, I hear it. There are your fixtures, monitor TR. The older style, like slightly older. And then there's another one on the other side that we can go ride. Literally the exact same.
Oh, it's up there. Oh,
And it's broken. Oh, lovely.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's here. I'll do it. Let's go. Oh God.
No, that's just trash.
Still very lovely. Let's see if this one's better.
Much faster.
Very lovely sounding.
Be aware that it is also the sound of a train.
Oh, someone's waiting. Hold on.
On.
I think someone's waiting. Hold on. It's okay. Come on. Get the numbers. Huh. And here we are. Monitor TR. I'll let you off first.
Oh, I don't want to come back.
Yeah, now we could get off. And there's a cab view, a lot like the other one. Look at that soda can. Now I think there's two more elevators. They are, I believe, newer. We'll take a look at them. I think they're this way, but I'm not sure.
There's a lot more trains today.